So Maverick to me is important because it is creating transparency into the data that actually moves the needle in our business. It's like everything that we've done up until this point was really guesswork. We'd be able to see with old systems, you could see where the issue was. We're having a difficult time getting agents from conversations to appointment set. And so we used to build best practices. And it's like, hey, you're having problem between this KPI and this one. But I had to assume what the reason was that you were struggling to get there. So we'd have to just create these best practices. Here's what you do to get more of your conversations to turn into an appointment being set. And we coached on that for years. And it was back then great. But now the thing that it shows us specifically where the agent is struggling. We can see on what percentage of the conversations is an agent asking for the appointment. Because our issue, like an agent's gonna succeed or fail based on output, skill set, process, and accountability. And we've always had to guess where they were particularly struggling. The system tells us specifically. So an agent's having 100 conversations, they're only asking for the appointment 10% of the time. If we could get them to ask 100% of the time, what we learned is through the data and because of Maverick, it doesn't affect the acceptance rate. So if we can get them to ask 100% of the time without improving their skill set by just making that small improvement on the process, they're gonna set 10 appointments instead of 1. And it's like, without transparency into that data, we don't have the ability to coach the agents up to make sure that we're getting better results with the same exact effort.